morning, students. So in the previous class we are going to discussing about different types of security mechanism, different types of security attacks, and different types of attacks and different types of the mechanisms, right? So after that we discussing about what is the cryptography and what is the steganography. Now today I am going to discussing about the concept that is the model for network security. Model for network security. This is one of the concept in the cryptography and network security, right? See, the main aim of this cryptography and network security is to provide security for the things. Okay, this is the main aim. So now coming to the first one, that is the model for network security. Coming to the diagram. Okay, so in this diagram there are different types of the entities, right? First one is what is the there are from the sender side and receiver side. So in the sender side we have the sender user, from the receiver side we have the receiver user. Okay, so here the main aim is to provide or to transfer the data in a secure manner from source network to destination network. Okay, so here there are first one is the sender side, and on the receiver side we have the receiver. So in between sender and in between the sender and receiver we have the secure communication channel, right? The main aim of this secure communication channel is to provide the security. Okay, so why we are using this communication channel is to transfer the data from sender to receiver in a confidential manner or in a secure manner. So that's why we are using a secure communication channel. So by using this secure communication channel to transfer the data securely from sender side to receiver side, right? This is the main aim of this network security model for network security, or else network security model. Okay, so here, so in between the sender and receiver we have the communication channel, right? Now first of all, in the initial step the sender will be transferred the data, that is the secret information, to the communication channel. Okay, so and also the communication channel will be send the data in a securely to the recipient. Okay, so in between the sender and the communication channel we are using a key, that is the secret key. So after that, now coming to the receiver side also we are using a secret key in between the communication channel to receiver. So by using this secret key to transfer the data from sender to receiver in a confidential manner or in a secret manner, right? Like encryption and as well as the decryption process. Okay, so here, so initially the sender will be want to send a data, that is a secret data, to the receiver. Okay, so whenever the sender is starting to send the data, first of all the data will be reached to the communication channel. Okay, so now here from the top of the communication channel we have the trusted third party. Okay, trusted third party. So trusted third party is the just observing the secret information. Okay, it is a secret information, so there is no problem about that trusted third party. It is observing what type of the thing will be happened in between the sender and receiver. Okay, so after that, whenever the communication channel will be receiving the data to the receiver, immediately it will forward the data to the receiver. Whenever the communication channel is receiving the data from the sender, so after that the communication channel is transfer the data to the receiver in a secret manner or confidential manner. So here in between the sender and communication channel and communication channel to the receiver, we are maintaining a secret key or secret information. So the secret information is transferred between the sender to receiver. Okay, so this is the main aim of this communication channel. So this is the description about the data network security or network security model, right? So previously we are creating a keys both side, from the sender side and receiver side. So by using the key to transfer the data to the receiver, similarly by using the key the receiver can be send the data to the sender. So in between a communication channel, the role of this communication channel is to transfer the data from sender to receiver or else receiver to sender in a confidential manner or secret manner. So this is the main aim of the network security model. So the main aim of this network security model is to transfer the data from sender to receiver in a confidential manner or in a secret manner. So this is the main aim of the network security model. Okay, so here we are applying different types of the different algorithms. Okay, so here in the secret key information we are using different types of the mechanism. So by using that mechanism to transfer the data from sender to the communication channel to the receiver in a secret manner or confidential manner, right? So this is the main aim of this network security model, right? So after that, next one is a model for the network access security. In the previously we have to discussing about the network security model. Now we have to discussing about network security access model, right? So similarly, in the previously we are discussing about the information, that is the what is the communication channel, what is the secret key, what is the shared information, what is the sender, what is the receiver, what is the trusted third party, what is opponent, right? All these are the different entities or different attributes that are placed in the network security model. Okay, so now we have to define each and every model or each and every entity or each and every attribute, right? First one is the sender attribute, right? So what is the role of the sender? Sender is he ready to transfer the data securely through the communication channel to the receiver. Okay, so this is the role of this sender. After that we have the secret key information, right? Secret key or secured information or secret key. So here the secret key information will be stored into the or will be ready to the at the secret key side. Now the sender will be sending the secret information to the communication channel, through the communication channel to the receiver, right? So next one is the access model or access channel or access model, whatever. So here what is the role of this access channel or the communication channel is to transfer the data in a communication secure manner or confidential manner from sender side to receiver side, right? So this is the main aim of this communication channel, right? So this is the very important role of the communication channel. In the latter topic, upcoming classes also we are going to discuss in detail about the communication channel or access channel. Now after that communication channel we have one more thing, that is the secret key. Again only secret key information, right? So here in the sender side we have some secret key. Similarly at the receiver side also we have some secret key. So by using the secret key to transfer the data from sender to receiver or to transfer the data from receiver to sender, this is the main role of the secret key. Okay, so after that there is one more thing, that is the receiver. What is the role of the receiver? Is to receive the data in a secure manner from sender through the access channel, right? This is the main role of the sender and receiver, and followed by access channel, after that secret key. So there is a trusted third party. So the trusted third party will be placed the top of the against channel, top of the communication channel or top of the access channel, right? So this is the about that. And one more main important thing is the gatekeeper. What is the role of the gatekeeper? So here the main role of this gatekeeper is to identify the user. Okay, so through identify the user here means, so here the main role of the gatekeeper is to verify that particular user is the authenticated user or not. If only the authenticated user, then only the resources will be access. Otherwise there is no access, right? So here the main role of this gatekeeper is to transfer data from security. So it will be receive the data only by authorized parties. Here it will be verify whether the user is the authenticated user or not, whether the user it will verify the identity of the user. Okay, so this is the main aim of this gatekeeper role, right? So in the previously we are discussing about the network security model, and now we are discussing about the network security access model, right? So in the network security model we are discussing now what is the operations are done between the sender and receiver through the access channel. So now after that we are discussing access security model, how to access the data from sender to receiver through communication channel. What are the different types of the security measures will be taken from the sender to receiver? From sender side we have to take some security measures, followed by from the receiver side also we have to take some security measures. Okay, so with the help of this communication channel to transfer the data from sender to receiver. So here the main aim of this network security model is to transfer the data from sender to receiver through the access channel with the help of the secret key. So here the secret key will be maintained both sender as well as the receiver. So based on the secret key, the sender will access key will be receiving the information, followed by after that receiver also will be receiving the information from the sender. Okay. So this is about. So let us see the description about the access security model, right? Similarly, in the gate, by using this gatekeeper, main role of this gatekeeper is to verify the identity of the user. The real role of this access channel is to transfer the data securely or confidentially from the sender to receiver, right? Followed by there are different types of the things will be discussed in the network security access model. Okay, so apart from that, there are different types of the security mechanisms, right? So that is different types of security mechanism in resource signature algorithm, Elgamal algorithm, RSA algorithm. All these are the different types of the asymmetric key algorithms. Okay, so based on the asymmetric key algorithms to encrypt the data as well as to decrypt the data. Okay, now coming to the final, that is the summary. Summary means so up to now we are discussing about the different types of the network. What is the role of the network access security model, and what is the role of the network access model, and what are the different types of the security attacks, what are the different types of the security mechanisms, what are different types of the security services. All these are the discussed in the unit 1, right? So thank you so much.